Sage Instant Accounts is the ideal finance software for new and small businesses. Using the software gives me greater confidence in managing my money and more freedom to develop my business. Let me tell you more about running my company with Sage Instant Accounts. Even if you've never used account software, getting started couldn't be easier. To get started, I used the Active Setup Wizard to input all my company's information, including its VAT rate, which tailored the software to my business's needs. I found the practice data helpful, and viewing the software in demonstration mode built my confidence too. You can also access telephone support and online guides during those crucial early days of using Sage Instant Accounts, giving peace of mind that Sage experts are on hand to help. I use Sage Instant Accounts in lots of different ways to manage my money and my business. In the software, there's an easy-to-use dashboard of information, which means I can access details on cash flow, customers, suppliers, products and VAT with just one click. Let me show you how I use the software to create and send out customer quotes and invoices. Okay, so I've received an inquiry from a potential customer who'd like me to put together a quote. I enter their details as a new customer, setting their account preferences, including payment terms. Once this is done, the details are always there, ready to be used again and again. Next, I create a professional quote by selecting the requested product. The software pulls in the information directly from the product section, so there's no need to re-enter any details. Then, I use the professional inbuilt quote template to either email or post it out. Once the customer has accepted the quote, I simply change the status from open to 1. Later, when it's time for payment, I use the quote details in my invoice, making any updates if it's needed. And if I send the invoice electronically, I can add a simple Pay Now button via my Sage Pay account, which is a great way to encourage prompt payment and maintain healthy cash flow. The great thing is that the entire process is recorded and easy to track, with the information stored and ready to be used in future reports and VAT returns. That doesn't mean I can't change information. If I make a mistake, I can go back and correct it. The software keeps a record of all corrections made, essential when it comes to things like auditing. With Sage Instant Accounts, it's really easy to review who owes me money and who I owe money to, keep on top of payment deadlines, and see which stock I need to order from suppliers. I can set reminders using the software's inbuilt diary, which integrates with Outlook to help me stay on track. The e-banking feature in Sage Instant Accounts allows me to import information from my bank accounts directly into the software, so I can do real-time reconciliations, giving me an accurate, up-to-date overview of my cash flow situation. The reports in Sage Instant Accounts let me keep on top of the broader financial picture of my business. They help me identify my most loyal customers, get the best value from suppliers, and show which products are my best sellers. And in fact, there's a huge choice, giving me great flexibility. Each quarter and at year-end, I use Sage Instant Accounts to submit my VAT returns online. Whichever VAT rate you work on, the software can work with it. It automatically calculates my VAT returns using the collated data, so I'm confident each return is accurate and legally compliant. And the best thing is that it's all done at the click of a button. Plus, whenever my accountant needs information sent over, it's quick and easy to send them everything they need electronically. Right from the beginning, Sage Instant Accounts has worked for me and my business. It's simple and straightforward, and if I ever need a bit of extra help, I can watch video tutorials and use the e-learning resources. It provides an accurate, comprehensive overview of my financial situation, giving me the confidence and the practical support I need to take my business further.